Hi, today we are going to talk about subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. Example, 3 over 4 subtract 1 over 3. So their denominators differ. So we need to find common denominator for the given denominators. So I use LCM to find common denominator. Let's find the LCM. 4, 3. Then you can see here 4 can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 3 can't. Continue. You can see 2 again divided by 2. 1, 3 can't. You continue. Then 3 is there. So I'm going to divide by 3. 1, we continue. 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So LCM equals 2 times 2 times 3. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Now common denominator is 12. Then I'm going to write the fractions again. 3 over 4 subtract 1 over 3. Then I have to change these denominators to 12. How do you change 4 to 12? Multiply by 3. So when you multiply denominator by 3, you have to multiply numerator also by 3. Then here denominator is 3. How do you change that to 12? You have to multiply it by 4. And numerator also by 4. Okay. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 3 times 4, 12. 1 times 4, that is 4. Then common denominator 12. Then you subtract numerators. 9 subtract 4, that is 5. Easy. Next example, 5 over 7 subtract 1 over 5. For this one, I'm not going to use LCM. So I'm going to write the fractions again. 5 over 7 subtract 1 over 5, and I'm going to multiply one fraction, denominator and numerator both, by the other fractions denominator. So if you take this one, then the other one's denominator is 5. So I multiply this by 5. Numerator also by 5. Then if you select this fraction, what is the other fraction? It is this. What is the denominator? 7. Then this has to be multiplied by 7, both denominator and numerator. Then you get 7 times 5, 35. 5 times 5, 25. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 1, that is 7. Now you have the common denominator 35. 25 subtract 7, that is 18. Okay, next example, that is 11 over 15 subtract 5 over 24. So you can see here denominators larger than the previous. So I'm going to use LCM. So I'm going to find the LCM of denominators, that is 15 and 24. 15 there, you can divide 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 24 divided by 3, that is 8. Then I can see here 8, I divide by 2. 5 can't. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 4 is there. Divide by 2. 5 can't. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Again 2 is there. divided by 2, 5 can't. Then 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then you can see 5 is there, divided by 5, 1 and 1. So LCM equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 5, that is 120. Then common denominator is 120. Right. Then I'm going to write the fractions again. That is 11 over 15 subtract 5 over 24. Okay, now you have to change these denominators to 120. So 15 times what? 120. Now you have that question. Then what you have to do is, now when you get the LCM, you can see product of prime factors. So there you can see 3 times 5, 15. Right? 3 times 5, 15. And here 2, 2, 2. That means 8. 8 times 15 is 120. Understood? 8 times 15 is 120. So this has to be multiplied by 8. And this also multiplied by 8. Now in the second fraction you have denominator 24. So in this product you need to find 24. How do you find 24? It is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. So 24 times 5 is 120. 24 times 5. Then 5 also multiplied by 5. Then you get denominator 120. 11 times 8, that is 88. Subtract 120. 5 times 5, 25. Then you have common denominator. You subtract the numerators and write the answer. That is 8 subtract 5, that is 3. 8 subtract 2, that is 6. Then check whether if you can further simplify the fraction. So you can see both can be divided by 3. So I'm going to divide both by 3. So 63 divided by 3, that is 21. 120 divided by 3, that is 40. Okay, further can't. So this is the final answer. That is 21 over 40. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.